would rock it in 100 days of code, and everyone here is the high tempo. Okay, that's why today I wanna tell you how you can add the user input if you interact with a program, and then it responds. You will enjoy it a lot. Okay, you will enjoy it a lot. Why children like them so much? Do you know why? I will tell you. Because whatever the input they give to the computer, so the computer actually responds according to their inputs. Okay. Hey, so now and they find it very impressive. Okay, that they are giving the inputs and computers responding to them. Okay, so now I will be, so you can also give input like this to your Python programs. Okay, hey, I tell you how can you do this, how can give input to Python programs. So let's move to the computer screen and let's get started. So now I will be telling you taking user input in Python. Like here is the syntax variable input. So like I will be giving the example. So I will first of all tell you taking user in input in Python. In Python we can take your user input directly by using input function. This input function gives a written value as string character, hence we have to pass that into a variable. Syntax variable input, but input function returns the value as a string, hence we hash the typecast them whenever required to another data type. Example here I will be give you like variable hashtag int input and the variable float, and now here I will be give it like that. Example I will give, you will be copy and coming like that. So now I will give like enter your name, print my name is example. Like I will first of all run it. I will be like enter your name. I will be write like Ryan, enter. My name is Ryan. Enter first number. I will write like 5. Enter second number 2, 52 and 52 and 7. Here you can see it is coming like that. Right, 52 and 7 is coming because the 5 and 2 will be merged. It is coming like 52. And enter and the xy plus. Okay. So here we can give the xy plus and the print the xy in y. Like I will give the enter first number, enter second number xy, and I will be give the like set, and I will be give him the enter third number. Then I will be run it. So I will be first of all I will be give my name. You will be give also your name Ryan. It is coming the error. He will be saying the name error is not defined. So the because I will be run it, then we can write Ryan. Then enter. My name is Ryan. First number 5, second number 8, third number 9, and you will be give many numbers, and 5, 8 should be 5, 8 should be here is coming, and here is the 13 is coming. And 13 is coming here, you can see it like that, and why 13 is coming here, because you will be why 13 is coming because 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, because you will be here is coming like the 5, 8 merge here is coming like that, and you will be plus the 5 plus 8 equals to 13. Like I will be give the xy, and here I will be xy comma plus int z. Then we can run. So I will be give my name Ryan. My name is Ryan. First number 8, 5, third 2, and here is coming the 85, and the 85 is coming, and the 87 is by coming. Because 8 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now 10 plus 2, 12. And now here is coming like that, 8, 7. Here you can see the answer is coming like that. So it is very easy to do. You will be like easily as to do. You will be and you will be right like Z and Y. Then you can run it. And here is coming like the name, and you will be give like that. And you will be give like A should be and A should be enter your name. Then we can run. So here is the enter your name. And now I will be go to the here, and now here I will be enter your name. And now here we can, and here I will be go, and here you can write the print should be A, anything you will be write like that. And now I will be give the run. So here is not running because I will be write the print should be enter your name. Sorry, here I will be write like print my name is, and now we can run. It is not coming like that goodly. And now I will be easily tell you the taking user input in Python easily as variable. I will tell you all things like here and you will be write like here I will be write enter your name. My name is. Run. And here is giving the syntax error and why I will be tell you in next class. Okay. So now in this class we will be learn we will learn a type. Here I will be here it is coming like that. Here you can see and you will write your name Ryan and you will be done like that. So here you can see it. I will be tell you taking user input in Python and easily as, and you will have very understanding this, and I will be give example. We can also display a text using input function. This will make input function take user input and display a message as well. Input will use to give the message as well, and here I will be give many example like that. So I will be meet you in next class and next amazing in the coach, and now I will meet you in next class. So for today, goodbye.